Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pickled beets. First, choose fresh, firm beets, ideally small to medium in size for tenderness. Wash them thoroughly, trimming the tops to about 1 inch and leaving the root end on. This prevents color bleeding during cooking. Next, boil or steam your beets until they are fork tender, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Once cooked, cool them under cold water, then the skins will slip right off. Now let's prepare the flavorful pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For extra flavor, add a few whole cloves, a small cinnamon stick, and 1 bay leaf. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, stirring until the sugar and salt are fully dissolved. This aromatic brine is key to perfectly pickled beets. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're finding these pickling tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. And on another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially when you're busy in the kitchen. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle for keeping your drinks perfectly cold. Check the description below for a link to grab yours and discover other fantastic deals. Now let's get back to the video. With your beets peeled and brine ready, it's time for canning. Slice your cooked beets into 1/4 inch rounds or wedges as preferred. Carefully pack the hot beets into clean, sterilized canning jars, leaving 1/2 inch of headspace. Pour the hot brine over the beets, ensuring they are fully submerged. Remove air bubbles, then process the jars in a boiling water bath for 30 minutes to ensure a safe, long-lasting seal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.